Okay, so we are solving the questions and of Google company, and now let's say, okay, I've seen question number 7 and 8. Frankly saying, I was unable to solve it, so why to waste time on the stream? So we directly jump to 9th one, and later on we will see 7th and 8th also. So maximum number of coins to get, you can get. Okay, so there are 3 n piles of coins of varying size. You and your friends will take piles of coins as follows. In each step, you will choose any 3 piles of coins, not necessarily consecutives, of your choice. Allies will pick the pile with maximum number of coins. You will pick the next pile with the maximum number of coins. Your friend Bob will pick the last pile. Repeat until there are more piles of coins. Okay, so 241 278. Choose the triplet 278. Allies pick the pile with 8 coins. You get 7 coins and Bob the last one. Then 124 278. Yeah, 124 is remaining. So allies will pick the 4. You will get 2 and Bob will get 1. So maximum number of coins you can have is 7 plus 2 9. On the other end, if you have chosen this arrangement 1 2 8 and 2 4 7, you only have gotten 2 plus 4 6 coins. Okay, so if we choose in the decreasing way, then force the array in the increasing order is 1 2 2 4 7 8. So 7 plus 2 9 we would have gotten. Okay, so anyhow we choose, we will we need to choose 3 element at once, and we will be getting the second greatest in that one, in those 3. Okay, so why to choose in this way? Like we can choose that topmost 2 and the bottom one. Then topmost 2 and the bottom one. Okay, I got a solution, I guess. Arrays, we need to solve the arrays. And say we have int low pointer equal to 0, int high and high pointer is equal to 10 equal to a dot length, and this will be n minus 2, and say int sum equal to 0. So while high is greater than low, we will be increasing sum of a high will be decremented by 2 each time, and low will be incremented, and we will be returning the sum. Let's see if that works. Okay, so it worked for the 3 sample cases, and let's see if it gets accepted. Yeah, it got accepted. Okay, 24 September we have done this. Okay, that time. Yeah, similar solution only. Okay, I just need to see if the 0 millisecond submissions are sorting the array or not. Okay, so they are not sorting. Instead they are implementing kind of counting sort, I guess, no? Because only 10 to the power 4 is the maximum number of coins that a file can have. That's also a valid way. This takes n log n time, and that will take log n time, order n time only. Let's see if we can do that. So int pick new int 1 e4 plus 1, no? Okay, now for each integer in array, we'll be incrementing the fric of x, and for int I equal, let's say we have end. Okay, for int I equal to 0, can we have 0 now? 1 till I is 1 e4 I plus plus, and while minus minus fric is greater than 0, answer of, okay, fric minus 1 plus 2 int plus plus equal to I, not answer, a of int plus plus equal to I. Now see if our solution works. Let's try to submit it. Okay, so now we are at 10, we have beaten 99% of the submissions. Okay, now we will check min network delay time. Must be a graph question. Yeah, we have solved this in June 2021. Too many monkeys near to my window today. You are given a network of n nodes leveled from 1 to n. You are also given times to travel and directed edges, where ui is the source node, vi is the target node, and wi is the time taken by a signal to travel from source to target. We will send a signal from a given node k. We need to return the minimum time it takes for all n nodes to receive the signal. If it is impossible for all n nodes, we must return. Okay, so it's an easy question, no? We can just do a BFS or DFS or anything, and we can record a maximum time. Okay, let's say we have this thing at edges, edges. Okay, also we need to build the graph. So okay, let's say adg adjacency list, array list, and now for all int e in edges, okay, we must need to add an empty sublist before proceeding, not sublist, empty list. And this will be of integer array type because we have weight associated with every edge. So get e0 to add new int e1 comma e2. Okay, so our graph is built, and now we'll be doing a kind of BFS from the target node, source node. So let's say we have q of integer type, q new linked list. What happened? Yeah, some browser shortcut clicked on. Yeah. So q dot add new int, let's say at vertex k and with weight 0, and say we have max equal to 0. So while q is not empty, okay, let's say we have int temp equal to q dot poll, and okay, so a directed graph but not necessarily to be acyclic, so we need a widgeted thing also. Yeah, boolean widgeted new boolean, say n plus 1, and widgeted of k must be true. Okay, so max is mat dot max of max and temp 1. Okay, and for all neighbors of temp 0, we will be checking if the neighbor is not widgeted. If that's the case, we will add new integers, neighbor of 0 comma temp of 1 plus neighbor of 1, and we will also make that widgeted, and I think we can return the max, and we are done. Okay, so I'm missing some semicolon nowadays. I think due to solving some Python also. In the third case, okay, we need to return -1. If it is impossible to reach all the vertices, we need to return -1. Set this to 0 and int count equal to 0 only. We'll be incrementing the count, and if count is less than n, we can return -1. Let's submit it. Okay, so 13th case wrong answer. Okay, so many monkeys are disturbing me on my window, sorry for that. So we have 1 to 1, 2 3 2 and 1 to 3 1 to 4, sorry. So from vertex 1 to vertex 2 in time 1 second, and from vertex 2 to 3 in 2 seconds or 2 units, you can say 1 to 3 in 4 units. Okay, we must have a priority queue, and a new comparator of type int. So we return x.1 minus y.1. Now submitted. I'm still on that case only. We are returning what on this case? Let's see. And also we'll be printing system.out.println temp of 0 plus temp of 1. I got it why this is happening, because this thing is here, and if visited temp of 0, we can continue. Now I think it will be fine. Semicolon. No, every time -1, because this is the case. Okay, we are returning 4, but we should return 3. Yeah, 3 only we should return. Okay, so 1 to 0, 2 in 1, and then 3 in 3, then 3 in 4 again. Okay, which is because we need to mark that visited also now. Now I think we are visited. We are completely done. So we did 69% of the submissions, and yeah, that's good. Now matrix block sum. So given a m by n matrix and integer a, return a matrix answer where answer I is the sum of all elements at RC and integer k. Okay, for I minus k, I plus k, j minus k, j plus k, RC is a valid position. Okay, so if we have a matrix, then for every cell we must return the sum of values in a row before, in a column before, or like c minus k, r minus k, I plus k, j plus k, or anything. Yeah, and that should be a valid position. So for example, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 9. and we had k equal to 1, so k equal to 1 means this thing and this thing. So 5 4 9 2 11 1 12. Okay, some kind of 2D prefix sum field, not some kind, instead a 2D prefix sum only, I guess. Okay, and say we need to find this one. Okay, got it. It's a like pure 2D prefix sum, and say we have int pref dot length and o dot length. Okay, so we need to construct a prefix sum also. So how it is constructed? Row wise and column wise, no? Just a way to construct. Okay, let's say I know a way, but that is like that. That is n square only, but it requires too many computations. Okay. Yeah, this one I know that require too much. Okay, another efficient previously, but into. Okay, so row wise and column wise. Okay, so let's say we had column wise and so we will have 1 5 and 12, 2 7 and 7 8 15, 3 9 and 18. Now 7 5 12, 5 9 2 11. Yeah, that's a good way. So for int j equal to 0, j less than m, we'll have for I int equal to I equal to 1 n, and pref of ij is nothing but pref of I minus 1 j plus a I j. Do we even need pref? We can do our work with a also. So this would be pref nothing but this thing. Okay, and similarly for all the rows. I and j minus 1. Yeah, now prefix sum is ready, and we need to find int answer array or answer matrix, I would say. Okay, so let's say we find the upper matrix thing. So int up equal to, say, find sum, we pass a, then mat dot max of 0 and I minus k, and mat dot max of 0 and j minus k, and int down we have find sum a of mat dot max 0 and I plus k, and mat dot max of 0 and j plus k, and say answer of ij will nothing but up plus down, and since this is considered twice, we need to subtract once, and we'll return the answer. And also need to implement this function, find sum. Also ij must need to be passed, ij. Okay, so x1 y1 and x2 y2, and in this case ij will be here instead of here. And we will have so to find the sum we will be checking. Okay, let's say in sum equal to a of x2 y2, and then we will be subtracting the sum of left side, that is if you want this thing, so you're subtracting this, that is nothing but x1 y1 x2 y2. So this is x2 y1 minus 1 and x1 and x1 minus 1 and y1, and x1 minus 1 y1 minus 1. Okay, so if x1 is greater than 0, x2 y2 minus 1, and it was x1 minus 1 y2. Okay, So here will be my dot min, this will be n minus 1 and min n minus 1. So 12, 16, 8, 24, 27, 45, 33. Let's say if we do not subtract this, then okay. So anyhow, it's time for my class.